Hey everyone, I'm Cosmin, and today on Dessertophilia I'm showing you how to make a super easy and delicious sugar-free pistachio chantilly cream. A chantilly cream is a very fancy name for a sweetened, flavored whipped cream, traditionally flavored with vanilla. Two quick notes. Pistachio paste is very heavy, so you're gonna need to whip the cream for twice as long as you normally would, and then you're gonna need something to give it more structure. Just a tiny amount of powdered milk will do. So let's get to it. To 250 milliliters of very cold whipping cream, I'm adding 20 grams of powdered erythritol and 2 grams of powdered milk. Then run the mixer on high speed for about a minute, and then add 25 grams of pistachio paste. Now start the mixer again and run it on high speed for about a minute, then stop it, scrape the bowl and start it again. Let it on high speed for 6 to 8 minutes until you notice that the cream holds a trail. And that's it! That's your pistachio chantilly cream. It has a rich and creamy consistency, but it's also firm enough to pipe. You can use it to decorate cupcakes, cakes, and serve with any dessert you like. Use it immediately, but if you want to keep it for later, just make sure you refrigerate it and whip it again on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that both the bowl and the whisk are very cold when you do it. It will recover its consistency and keep its shape quite nicely. However, I wouldn't recommend serving this chantilly cream in a very hot and humid environment. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. And also, let me know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, Dessertophiles!